from Sweetheart's Hair, welcome back to another tutorial, and today we're doing a half up. Everybody loves a half up. This one is almost like a hair hack. It's really easy. Let me show you. So Taylor's got quite soft hair, so I'm just going to use a bit of texture spray just to give me a bit of grip. You could use a dry shampoo as well. And then I'm going to just add a tiny bit of back comb just through this crown area, and then just taking this section in the crown here, I'm going to get a long hair grip. So there's lots of different variations of these, and you're just going to slide that like so. Next I'm going to just use my fingers and just grab a little bit of hair from the left, and then the same on the right. So once you're happy with your two sections, you're just going to tie them in a knot, exactly like a shoelace. Like so. And then you're just going to use the edges of this to just push that around. We're then going to go again. So slice of hair, and then another slice of hair from this side. Smooth them out. And again, we're going to tie a little knot. And again, you're just going to place these behind here. I'm going to do one more. If you've got lots and lots of thick hair, you could do 4. I'm just going to go for 1 more. And again, we're going to do our little knots. And bring it underneath. I'm going to grab that original piece of hair. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to place it up here. And then we're going to grab all the side sections of our little knots. Then we're going to gently release this down, like so. Now, you can leave it like that, or you can gently just hold on to that underneath elastic and just tease this out a little bit. So, as always, our little 360, look how cute from the front. All that detail at the back looks super complicated, but as you can see, it wasn't. And then back round to the front again. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.